Everybody put your light behind you. And then we're going to stand still with hands by our side, okay? Is it on there? All right, everybody ready?
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. In heaven and nature sing, in heaven and nature sing, in heaven and nature sing.
Everybody.
Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. In heaven and nature sing, in heaven and nature sing, in heaven and nature sing.
Good job. Now, go tell it on the mountain. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
Again, go.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
Good Y'all, I promise you, they've been working so hard. We have one more thing. And if Miss Carmisha gets some information, I had to tell them during practice, they said, my feet hurt. I said, now when you celebrating your birthday, your feet don't hurt, do it? And they was like, no. So we're going to celebrate Jesus' birthday, and we're going to do it loud, and we're going to have some fun, okay? Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, let's say it a little louder. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good morning, youth of New Life Restoration. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good. I'm doing good too. Can you tell me the real reason we celebrate Christmas?
To celebrate Jesus' birthday.
Yes, it's to celebrate Jesus' birthday. So everybody, they have a song for you, and they have some cool dance moves for you, and we're going to wish you a Merry Christmas. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, make sure you sing it loud, all right? 1, 2, ready, we
We wish